Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Okay, you know I like to make chicken. Today we're gonna make chicken, but today we're gonna use a mallet. We're gonna flatten them out, make them about a ½ inch thick, throw them on the grill. I'm only smoking at 225 because I'm tossing them on with some ribs today, but even at 225, the ½ inch size chicken still only takes about 20 minutes. So if you're just making the chicken, you can do it a little hotter, a little faster. Either way works great, but don't forget, you gotta smash down and make it even. Check out this recipe. Okay, so for this chicken, we're gonna flatten them out. So we're gonna get a gallon bag, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and that helps when you're smashing them down. It helps the chicken smooth out better and not stick and not break apart. You just pour a little bit of olive oil in your bag. Doesn't take a whole lot, just so you coat it so the chickens can move when you're smashing it. And this is ManKitchenRecipes, so yeah, we're gonna use this rubber mallet right here. So we're gonna get our first piece of chicken, get it in the bag. Then we're gonna hammer it down with that rubber mallet. It's a pretty good size one. It's right out of the garage, man. So you just tap it down just like this. Easy peasy. Gotta do all of them. And get them ready and get them out on that grill as soon as we're done here. That's how you do it. Okay, now let's speed this process up. Just put each piece of chicken in there. Hammer it down like that. See how fast I am? I'm ninja fast. The next one, what we're doing here is getting them all flattened out so they're all even, and so that they cook evenly throughout. Instead of having, you know, usually on a chicken breast you have one side that's bigger than the other. And this really helps with the cooking. It speeds it up. You only need, you know, 10-20 minutes to get them cooked. You can use whatever you want to hammer them flat. I just use this rubber mallet because I have it. And we're going to get our seasoning on it after you have it smashed. You've seen my chicken rub seasoning. It is so delicious. I use it on chicken obviously all the time. Pork chops. Just get it. I didn't put any binder because the olive oil from the bag and smashing them, it already had a little bit of olive oil on it. So you flip them over. Do the other side. Get it coated nice and evenly. Well, it doesn't have to be too even, just get it all fully covered. And after we get these covered, I'm gonna let these rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And then we'll get them on the grill. Okay, we have our Pit Boss at 225, it's rolling at 230. And this is that chicken, it's been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Throw this on the grill. Here's how this is so thin. These are only going to take maybe 10 minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. Look at that. Just under 10 minutes. Feeling like it's done. Getting there anyway. Falling apart. Look at that. Look at that. We're going to let them go another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, this chicken is ready. Man, look at that. That's so good. All evenly cooked because they were the same size all the way across. Okay, this smashed chicken, I Let's give this a try. Let me cut a piece off here. Okay. Oh man, I love chicken. Check that out. Perfect. And that the rub I put on these is so good. You got to try that rub. I know you've seen it. Big bite. Okay. That chicken is delicious, juicy. Done the same all the way across. Gotta use them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.